So the final way that an urban area can reduce its eco-footprints and become more sustainable is by thinking about food. The amount of food that comes into London in supermarkets and everything, most of it does not come either from the local area, let alone from Britain. A lot of it is flown in from overseas, particularly the big supermarkets. Um, so the key thing here is this term food miles. How far has your food travelled to get to your plate? The further it's travelled, the bigger the eco footprint it makes, because of course it has to get on a plane that uses resources and oil to get itself over here. It also produces pollution and emissions, which makes our eco footprint even bigger. So how can we reduce food miles? There's a number of things. You can use locally produced food. You can just go to greengrocers. You can grow your own, for instance. And other things you can do, for instance, here, farmers markets. So when farmers put a lot of their produce into a van, take it into the middle of an urban area, and then just sell it to the public. It has its advantages and its disadvantages, right? It can be very expensive, but on the other hand, you know it's always going to be fresh. So again, do a bit of research into farmers markets. You should have your notes here in your folder about this. Make sure that you know the arguments for and against. A possible 6-mark question could come up, and you can use the whole food miles argument along with the congestion charge and the Boris bikes and BedZ. All of these things are ways that urban areas can become more sustainable. So you've got plenty of information, you've got plenty of examples in terms of answering questions along those lines.